Hello everyone. So today we are repairing a pipe, and I'll show you step by steps on how we repair a pipe. Right now it's preparation.
Dahutia.
Okay. So we have to cut the pipe and remove this damaged pipe so that we can replace with a new one using these couplings, VJ couplings. It's a PVC pipe. As you can see, the pipe was damaged by a tractor, so we have to make sure that the place that we are removing is the whole place that is damaged. It was damaged by a tractor which was excavating this trunk of a tree right here. Since there is a building which is being constructed here,